Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a location on TikTok videos which you upload. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok application in your mobile, and when you are here, you just have to tap on this plus in the bottom, and now you can record a video or you can upload the video from your gallery. So I'm just going to record a video and then tap on this check mark icon, tap on this next, and when you are here you can see there are a lot of options like description, select cover, and here is the location option which is new feature. So just tap on this location and now you can see all the locations around me is available here. So if you are at any specific restaurant or you want to upload the location, you just have to tap on it, or you can search the location as well, so people will get to know where this video is filmed. So I'm just going to tap on it. As you can see, my Haripur location is added now. So now if you tap on this post, your location will be added with your video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.